Learn English with your Instill.
Hi, what's your name?
Hello, I'm Alex. Hello, I'm Alex.
How old are you?
I'm 30. I'm 30.
Where are you from?
I'm from Toronto, Canada. I'm from Toronto, Canada.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and a bit of Spanish. I speak English and a bit of Spanish.
Do you have any siblings?
I have two brothers. I have two brothers.
When's your birthday?
Mine is on October 10th. Mine is on October 10th.
What's your marital status?
I'm single. I'm single.
What do you do for a living?
I work in marketing. I work in marketing.
Where do you currently live?
I live in downtown Toronto. I live in downtown Toronto.
What's your favorite color?
I love green. I love green.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets. No, I don't have any pets.
What's something interesting about you?
I've traveled to over 20 countries. I've traveled to over 20 countries.
What's your favorite food?
I'm a big fan of Italian food. I'm a big fan of Italian food.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception. My favorite movie is Inception.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite is 1984. My favorite is 1984.
What hobbies do you enjoy?
I love reading and cooking. I love reading and cooking.
How tall are you?
I'm 5 feet 9 inches. I'm 5 feet 9 inches.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love trying new recipes. Yes, I love trying new recipes.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy soccer. I enjoy soccer.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn for the colors. I love autumn for the colors.
What's your biggest fear?
I'm afraid of heights. I'm afraid of heights.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, I don't play any instruments. No, I don't play any instruments.
What's your favorite drink?
I prefer tea. I prefer tea.
What's your favorite holiday?
Thanksgiving is my favorite. Thanksgiving is my favorite.
What's a fun fact about your childhood?
I used to be a child actor. I used to be a child actor.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I enjoy taking long walks. I enjoy taking long walks.
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm definitely an extrovert. I'm definitely an extrovert.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I prefer vanilla. I prefer vanilla.
What's your favorite type of music?
I love pop music. I love pop music.
Do you like to travel?
Absolutely, I try to travel every year. Absolutely, I try to travel every year.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a film director. I want to be a film director.
What's your favorite family tradition?
I love our summer beach trips. I love our summer beach trips.
What's your biggest achievement?
I graduated with honors. I graduated with honors.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I love using Instagram. I love using Instagram.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I like to relax at home or go out with friends. I like to relax at home or go out with friends.
Do you follow any blogs or podcasts?
Yes, I follow a travel blog. Yes, I follow a travel blog.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I love a local Italian place called Bella Italia. I love a local Italian place called Bella Italia.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I like cycling. I like cycling.
How often do you go to the gym?
I go about 3 times a week. I go about 3 times a week.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Thai food. I love Thai food.
Do you have any unique skills?
I can do magic tricks. I can do magic tricks.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I love cheesecake. I love cheesecake.
Do you enjoy reading?
I prefer nonfiction books. I prefer nonfiction books.
What's your favorite quote?
I love, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. I love, the only way to do great work is to love what you do.
What's your favorite childhood toy?
I loved my Lego sets. I loved my Lego sets.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee. I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite way to celebrate your birthday?
I prefer a quiet dinner with family. I prefer a quiet dinner with family.
What's your favorite thing about your hometown?
I appreciate the beautiful parks. I appreciate the beautiful parks.
What's your favorite memory with friends?
I remember our road trip last summer. I remember our road trip last summer.
How do you handle stress?
I usually go for a run. I usually go for a run.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.